Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
That's right, Deborah. Kelsey Washington was shot in the head last Monday. Police say she was declared brain dead on Saturday and she passed away last night. Now police say they have the man they think pulled the trigger in custody. A young life cut short. Police say 13-year-old Kelsey Washington was shot in the head November 7th during the evening commute at Fayette and Caroline Streets. Police say she was an innocent bystander, standing in a crowd in a liquor store parking lot when someone fired into a nearby car.
This brazen, cowardly act is totally uncalled for. And once again, people shooting indiscriminately into a crowd of people where everyone is standing right there watching it.
GoFundMe page set up by family members, which has already raised more than $12,000, states she was in the neighborhood that day trying to raise money for her dance team. Now, more than a week later, police are making an arrest. 35-year-old Tavon Battle is now in custody and charged with first and second-degree murder.
Honestly, it's nowhere safe in the city. So if they can shoot a kid, they can shoot anybody.
Police say they identified Battle through video footage and still photos. And today, they brought him in for an interview at police headquarters before he was transferred to central booking, where he is now waiting to see a court commissioner. An autopsy will be performed on Kelsey Washington. Meanwhile, police say this is still an active and ongoing investigation. Reporting live downtown, Kim Dacey, WBAL TV 11 News.
Start tonight with the pain. It's still there, but a step closer to justice for a young murder victim in our city.
13-year-old Kelsey Washington was shot last Monday on East Fayette Street. She died at the hospital a week later. We have learned tonight that there was an arrest in her murder. According to the GoFundMe that was set up for her, Washington was in the neighborhood that night trying to raise money for her school's dance team. Today, police say they've arrested Tavon Battle in her death. Surveillance video helped police identify him as the suspect, and he is now facing murder charges. Kelsey's family is now raising money to cover her funeral expenses. We have a link to their GoFundMe page on our website.
The sentence is handed down in another high-profile case, this one here in Baltimore. It's life in prison for the Harford County man convicted in the fatal shooting of a 13-year-old girl. Back in November of 2022, police say 37-year-old Tavon Battle indiscriminately opened fire on a car on East Fayette Street, and a bullet struck 13-year-old Kelsey Washington, killing her. She was standing on a corner when she was struck.